To show you guys how easy it is to cut multiple parts on this machine. So the software that we're using here is called 2D Cut Ahead, and it's by Ray Tools. And I would say it's very similar, if not almost identical, to the SipCut program that a lot of people are running. So what we're going to do here is we're going to upload some files, multiple files. So I'm going to show you guys how we do that. And it's not many, but so what it'll do is it'll upload all the files here, and then I'm going to show you guys next how easy it is to nest all these. So we have this part here. I'm going to show you guys how quick this is. Previously on the other software that I was using with the plasma table, creating a G code is what you call it. Really, while it was pretty quick, it still took up way too much time. So figuring out the lead-ins, depending if you have small holes, how you want to put the part, it took up way too much time. So with here, what we're going to do is literally you just select the part, the lead-in that I have is already set, compensates, and the part is ready to be cut. It's that easy. So I'm going to do another one here. This one's a little bit more involved, but I'm going to show you guys on the next video what we're going to do this one. So for this part, what we need to do is there's a few lines right here that I'm going to etch. It's going to be these lines right here, you guys can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select those lines. This yellow one right here, that's for it to be etched. Then I'm going to select the entire part and deselect the lines that I'm going to etch. And then I just go to my lead-in, compensate, and that's it. The part is ready to be cut. And next, what we're going to do is we are going to go to nesting, nest it, and I have it set to arbitrary angles. So that means that it will nest in the best way possible. And that's it. Pretty straightforward. So now that we have our parts nested, what we're going to do is we're going to mark where we want the cut to start. So if you guys can see the little red dot right there, that's where we wanted it to start. And so what we're going to do is go up here and hit mark. And what that's going to do, again, it's just going to mark where the start of the cut is going to be, which is going to be on the bottom left corner. Then what we're going to do is we're going to hit frame. And what that's going to do, it's going to frame out where everything is going to be cut. And that's just to make sure that everything stays inside the sheet and it doesn't go beyond. So we're going to do that right now. We're going to hit frame. And as you guys can see, it's going to frame everything out. And again, I'm kind of paying attention to that red dot just to make sure that everything stays where I wanted it to be. And now that it's framed, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting.